We know it's only November, but we want everyone to start thinking about Christmas and decorating their houses for Christmas. And the Thunder Bay Art Gallery Christmas House Tour. I'm here with Linda Gadet, who owns this beautiful house we're in, and Kathy Krelove from the Thunder Bay Art Gallery. Kathy, first of all, can you tell us about the Christmas House Tour?
Absolutely. Next weekend on the 9th and 10th of November, on the 9th is the Candlelight Tour, and you tour the homes from 6 to 9, and then from approximately 8 to 10, you come back to the Thunder Bay Art Gallery and have some lovely hors d'oeuvres, some wine, and listen to some music. And on the Sunday, you tour the homes from 10 to 4, come back to the gallery and have some cider and some cookies, and from 1 to 3, listen to the male choir. So it's a great two-day event here for the gallery.
Now, when it comes to the houses, how does it work? I know we're in Linda's house and she's decorated herself, but what about some of the other homes?
Yeah, some of the homes are decorated by businesses. Chartwell this year is decorated by Charmaine from Celebrations, and Moss Cottage is decorating a home out on Riverdale Road, the old Riverdale School, condos. And then we have, here we go. So there's some other, decorators involved. Willow Springs is decorating a home on Winnipeg Avenue. So we have a mixture this year of businesses and a homeowner like Linda who's taken on her own home.
Now, and I guess the big thing about this is it's early enough that people can go and get some ideas for Christmas decorating. With some of these businesses, they can purchase the decorations that they see afterwards. And it's just to get everyone in the Christmas spirit.
Exactly. That's exactly what it's for, and giving everybody some ideas. And then you go back to these businesses and pick up a few little trinkets that you've seen along the way. Okay,
now how does it work? Is people drive themselves, and does it cost anything?
Yeah, absolutely. The people drive themselves. And for the Saturday night tour, it is $30 or $25 for a member. On Sunday, it's $20 or $15 for members, and you do drive yourself, and you just tour the homes at your leisure, and all the directions and everything are right in the ticket.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Now, Linda, you are one of the homeowners that has decorated your own home. Now, do you love Christmas?
I do love Christmas.
Now, why did you do this? You're inviting people into your home to see your beautiful tree and all your beautiful decorations.
Well, this is the first time I've been asked to do this, and I've never been on the Christmas tour. I've always wanted to go, so my cousin asked if I would do this, and I thought it'd be a great experience.
And obviously, if you love Christmas, your house will be totally decked out and give some people some ideas.
Well, I hope so.
Well,
but
Linda,
it's just nice to do it.
Right. Well, thank you so much for letting us come here today and get into the Christmas spirit a little early. I know it's just the beginning of November, but we want everyone to start thinking about Christmas and come out to the Thunder Bay Art Gallery's Christmas House Tour on November 9th and 10th. If you want more information, you can go to the Art Gallery's website.
Thank you. Yeah, exactly. Or call the Thunder Bay Art Gallery at 577-6427.
Okay, keep watching. There's lots more coming up on Go Thunder Bay.